open the gate.
And you're not supposed to do that. Yeah.
Guam, you are in my property. You trespassed. When you trespassing? You trespassing?
What is trespassing? Do you know what is
Ukujump, angikuvulela ngigate ukujump.
to open?
For what?
We told you we're gonna say.
But you don't have a search warrant.
You don't need a search warrant.
Yes, you need a search warrant to search a property of someone.
Who told you so?
It's the law.
Who told you so?
It's the law. It's in the constitution. Alright, I will go and read it. Jump and knock, jump and knock, jump and knock. Jump and knock. Angazi into oyifuna uzoyithola na. Jump and knock. Okay, I didn't do law, well. I didn't do law, but the one, someone will contact you.
One should be someone.
Machola.
Let me just be myself.
Whether you are
Good luck on fighting. That's all.
Hayi champagne bafita, hayi champagne.
Into ebuhlungu ukuthi ne-approach masingakwazi siyakhuluma kahle. Let's have a support. Mara mamedi into
Hayi uthathe isinqumo sakhe sokuthi ajampe.
You don't want to open.
Uthathe isinqumo sakhe. Hayi, kumele ngibuze ukuthi nifunani. Ngibanjwe inkunzi njengoba ngikhipha igate la. Mina ngibanjwe inkunzi njengoba ngikhipha igate.
It was open when we passed it.
Yeah, it was open. Yes, umngani wami bekaphuma. My friend was going out.
For the second
My friend was going out. You are not my friends. My friend was going out.
to be your friend.
Yes, but my friend must come in. He is my friend.
We are doing our job here. Can't you
Your
see the
job,
uniform?
okay.
Can't you see the
Oh,
uniform?
your job is to trespass amacharita abantu.
Can't you see the
Oh,
uniform?
your job is to trespass amacharita
We
abantu.
are doing that. We
All
are
right.
doing our job here.
Na uzosho makaqedile abuyele ngokujumpa futhi angithi ungene ngokujumpa.
you're not to send any property for to a person. You don't need a search.
All right, awujump. Do whatever you want. Angithi wena uyawazi umthetho. Umuntu omthetho wena. Do whatever you want.
Is this your house or are you renting here?
My house.
It's your house.
Yes, I'm the
How
owner.
much did you bought it?
It's none of your business.
Huh?
It's none of your business. So ngibuza iprice. So ngibuza iprice.
And it was okay, it's in it today.
Hayi ngifuna asho umbafo makaqedile.
Yes, you can. What I'm saying. Yes, you can. What I'm saying. So simple. Yeah. But somehow you should be somewhere.
You can't tell us how to do our
But
job.
you jump in our
You
gate.
can't tell us how to do our job.
Okay, cool. Just jump like that.
You didn't employ us. You can't tell us how to do our job.
Khamba.
Can I search or you don't want?
Makujampile. Bese uzongitshela ukuthi ufuna ukungise mina ngifuni. Mina ngifuni, mina ngizosearcha mina. Hayi ukuthi ungisearch. Mina ngizosearcha. Mina ngizosearcha. Angisearch. Nginaso isinye isikhwama.
No.
Yini into oyifuna? Yini into oyifuna?
Okay, you came right, but on a serious note,
Hayi wena. Mina ngithi uzoyibhadalela lento oyenzela. Uzoyibhadalela. Uzoyibhadalela. Ha.
we have a right to ask you why you are.
Ngifuna abuyele de uyangene ngakhona.
And then, as we trying to address you, in the look village students, 7 and 8 every day, I hear they go, what's so fucking
Babamba umntana abantu inkunzi la. Manje baza la. Mina busy zoseshana nabantu abaroko.
Sitshela yonke intombazane la, like now noThibo sisixoxa ngayo. Bekana bayishanga. You understand? Those people are here are busy.
Anenjweni la ngale.
Yeah, you can post it.
Angizoposta kahle nje.
Find whatever you're looking for.
Mm.
Abantu base
Nisetisa ngisho. Nisetisa ngisho. Nisetisa. Angisazi ke. Kuthi ufuna ngibeke kanjani? Alright bafethu.
Abantu esitratweni thina senze next bafethu. Number plate ubambe.